Alright, I didn't see any videos of this online, but one thing that has happened with the Nintendo Switch is that they've been releasing a lot of games, and trying to buy every single one of them is not financially possible for a lot of people. So I decided to set up a gamefly account so that I could rent them instead, and if I, decided I wanted to keep the game, they have an option to keep at a bit of a discount. So, with tax, normally, this is Skyrim. With tax, normally you would have to pay about around $70. So I paid a little, like 50 something instead. But I got it from GameFly. They sent it to me, and then when you decide to keep the game, they send you all the rest of the packaging. Because this was basically a launch title, nobody else basically rented it, so it's fairly new. But it is open, so yeah. But they do open it to send you the game. Now I lost my scissors, so I'm hoping this little guitar thing works. There you go. I didn't have to cut it. It worked though. Just make sure I'm in frame. And here is the game. And I believe I have this receipt, so I'm going to take that away off camera. And here is the casing. This is just, it's the usual case that when you unbox it, you get that. Except it's opened, because they opened it for that. Nothing much, nothing special. If you have a code or something, like say you got Resident Evil, you rented Resident Evil Revelations, it has a code inside the case or whatever, with the Resident Evil Revelations to download, then that would be included with the case. But in this case, it's just, that's all you get. So that's it. Just wanted to show what it would look like, what the quality would be, and that's all. So it seems fine, and you save a few bucks doing that. Just so long as you're actually renting games, it would be you wouldn't save a hell of a lot if you weren't actually using the subscription or anything like that, because then you would be paying a monthly fee and renting nothing, and then like renting one game and then paying for it, and that would actually cost more probably. But if you're actually using the account, it's kind of worth it. If I find that it's not worth it, just cancel it. What was I gonna say? So I had used this service before, and it really didn't make any sense. It was around the time of the Xbox 360 and PS3. I had both, and I really wasn't looking forward to much of the games. I was playing all the older games, and it didn't make any sense. So I canceled, because it just didn't make any sense to have the thing. But now, it's because the Switch has had so many games come out that I can't afford all of them. I figured it would be a useful service to use. So, one other thing. I got, or rented, another game that I rented. I wanted to play, but I didn't want to pay the money to try it out. But you never know. Maybe I'll like it so much I'll buy it. But so here's a game, and a lot of people have said that GameFly takes forever to ship. I guess it depends on where you are, but in my case, it's been fairly quickly. They've been shipping them fairly quickly, and here's the game that I've rented for the Switch, and blah 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 blah. Okay, so now open this, and we'll show the Switch game there. So ARMS. Let's get that to focus. So I rented ARMS because it looked cool. It looked like it was fun, so I figured I'd give that a shot. And then if I do like it, I'll get it. If I'm like, yeah, it's okay, I'll wait on it. Maybe it'll get, it won't be so expensive. And I will buy it then. Who knows? We'll see what I think of the game. It looks fun to me, but, figured I'd rent it. So I'm going to post some gameplay of that. Check out the updates and everything. So, yay, woohoo, whatever. Thank you for watching.